I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
Din dito ng last hearing natin na ikaw ay naging tor ng mga pagkain. Am I right? Sure.
Your Honor, yes po. Noong 2000, kundi po ako nagkakamali, sir, 2016 po kasi ako nag-start na mag-catering.
That was the time.
2016 or 2017.
Ikaw ba yung nakaupo pa bilang officer ng Bucor o hindi na?
Officer po ako ng BJMP. Hindi pa po ako nauupo nun po sa Bucor, sir.
Officer ka ng BJMP.
Po, yun na po
Mr.
yung...
Chair, gusto kong alamin, pwede bang maging caterer ang isang nakaupong officer ng BJMP?
Hindi.
Sir, nung nagretiro po ako, ay hindi po pala ako nagretiro, finorce retirement po nila ako. Nung pong makuha ko yung...
Hindi mo sinasagot ang tanong ko eh.
Mr. Chief,
Yes.
right na Finor's retire siya
Yun ang sabi niya eh. Hindi
sa
ko naman,
BJMP.
hindi naman yun ang tanong ko eh.
The
Chair.
records will show na nag-undertake siya. It's on record. Nag-undertake siya na magre-retire siya on a certain month at saka year.
Patay ka ngayon, Angie.
Kung bakit? Kasi hindi siya mapropromote sa jail senior inspector or whatever.
Sa BJMP.
Kasi wala siyang schooling talaga on record.
Oh, yun.
Yun ang katotohanan.
Yun. Hindi ba pag ikaw tatanong ko ulit, yung tinanong ko Mr. Chair kanina, hindi ba, tama ba na pwede ka maging caterer kung ikaw ay nakaupong empleyado ng BJMP?
Hindi pwede nga.
Answer. Hindi po ako nakaupo na po nun, sir. Yun nga po yung ginamit ko po, yung nakuha ko pong
Mr.
almost
Chair,
2 million
kanina
na lang.
nabanggit mo nakaupo ka. Gusto mo, pakita natin yung record dito. Kaya nabanggit mo nakaupo ka eh.
Hindi po, sir.
Ngayon, binatanggihan mo, hindi ka nakaupo?
My apology, Your Honor, clarification
Anong
po.
apology yung binabanggit mo, Mr. Chair?
Yung kasi po kanina
Narilito
po,
ka? Nasagot mo?
Hindi po
Kanina, gusto mo makita yung transcript?
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, nalilito po kasi ako kasi po may sinasabi po kayong nakaupo po ako
Di
sa
ba? Hindi
Bucor.
ka dapat malito, Mr. Chair, kung alam mo sinasabi mo. At alam kong alam mo sinasabi mo.
Yes, sir. Your Honor, alam ko po yung sinasabi ko. And my apology po
Okay,
kung nalito
Mr. Chair,
po ako.
sagutin mo lang ako. Maging caterer ang nakaupo ng BJMP. Whatever it is, kung hindi ka nakaupo ka, ang tanong ko sagutin mo. Mr. Chair, pwede bang maging caterer ng Bucor ang nakaupong empleyado ng BJMP? Pwede
po.
o hindi?
Hindi pwede po. Bawal po yan.
Hindi po, sir, kung nakaupo po ako sa PDL.
Yun lang. Yes or no lang, di ba? Okay. Na makikita natin kung nakaupo ka.
Bawal po yan.
Sa record kung nakaupo ka.
Kaya dapat...
At kapag nakaupo ka, nakaupo ka, marami kasi question na hindi mo nasagot eh.
Patay ka ngayon.
Hindi ka mag-force retirement, mag-resign ka na. Calling for the resignation of this madam.
Nako. Dapat lang.
Okay, the good gentleman from Manila is calling for the resignation, and there's a
Kasi nagsisinungaling
manifestation
siya eh.
of
Halatang halata eh.
seconding on this. We can have a all kind of motion and approval in this committee, but at the end of the day, it's up to the person who wanted to sign if she wanted. But the sentiment of all the members, we have seen that so much issue pertaining to Superintendent Angie, and it's really up to you. Go ahead, Congressman.
Okay, Mr. Chair, thank you very much. I am holding right now. Lumabas, mahina na yung mata ko eh. Ito nakalagay. General Gregorio Pio Katapang, Director General, Bureau of Corrections, NBP, Muntinlupa City, through Dina Bautista. Is this Angelina Bautista, the Angie Bautista, as the person that I am referring to today?
Po, sir.
That you are the assistant to the Director General.
Yes.
Honor, Mr. Chair.
Right now you are, right?
Yes po, yun po yung plan ko.
Okay.
Your Honor.
Subject. Fresh entry of recreational units and sports materials for the Barangay Masagana.
Yes.
14-2023.
Oh my God.
Sir, respectfully requesting your good office the entry of the recreational units, sports materials of Barangay Masagana. Guys, set of billiard table, 2 set unit of BDOK,
Naku.
of mahjong table, 1 unit speaker. Aran, Mr. Chair, BDOK, pati mahjong table.
Naku po.
Alright. Pinirmahan ni PDL Dilang Galen. I would like to ask whoever, it might be Director General Katapang or Angie Bautista to answer this right now.
Yes. Mag-resign.
Your Honor, can I answer po?
Okay?
Palitan
Sige,
ko na lang
sige.
po ngayon.
Kaya po naka-true po sa akin yung letter po ng mga PDL. Ako po kasi yung officer in charge ng NBP.
Ay.
Kaya nga, understandable na yan eh. Ang tanong ganito, nakapasok ba itong mga to sa Bilibid?
Ang nakapasok po dyan, sir, yung billiard table, video and speaker.
Oh, yeah. Okay, billiard table at video open. Ito ba ay dapat ipasok?
Yes, sir po. Kasi recreational po nila yan. At
Oh.
marami na pong nakapasok doon.
Recreational. General Katapang, will you please answer this also? And according to your own opinion, sapagkat nasabi po ng iyong deputy, yes sir, recreational equipment po ito, bilyaran at videoke.
Sir, yung recreational facility o equipment is yung videoke. Ginagamit po nila yan pag nagmamass gathering sila. Kailangan nila ng loudspeaker o malalaking speaker. Pero I'm not sure kung allowed po yung bilyaran. Pero nakita naman nila dun sa visitation o Senate inquiry, may mga bilyaran po nandun.
Ang balita ko, Director General, nakalusot din yung yung mahjong table eh.
Patay kayo ngayon. Yan na nga ang sinasabi. Dapat yan, mag-resign at palitan bago. Yan si General Katapan, tsaka yung si Angie na yan. Tingnan nyo ang nangyari sa Bucor. Wow.
Laki-laki nun ha, pero nakalusot din yung mahjong table eh.
Yay.
Ito, meron pa isa. In date March 2 naman to, 2023. Mga cooking materials. Pati mga bawal na tinidor. Pasok. Through Angelina Bautista. General Katapang, meron po ba kayong alam dito?
Yes.
The Bucor Chief answered the query of about the pork and spoon. So we will be recognizing Congresswoman Acapos.
Wala.
Ba kayo alam dito, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, I don't have knowledge about that.
Wow. Grabe. Ang tindi.
General, hindi ba
Ikaw na mumuno, hindi mo alam?
alam mo lahat ang nangyayari sa Bucor?
Tama yan, Congressman Abante.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor, I should know everything what's happening inside Bucor.
Mr. Chair, naipangako mo kanina na gagawin mo ang lahat na magagawa mo para masolve lahat ang mga problemang ito.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
I would like to tell the Bucor leadership, Mr. Chair, Madam Chair, nahaharap sila sa budget hearing. Ayaw ko, baka maapekta ng budget ninyo.
Kurakot ko mga to ah.
Sabay mo, Director General Katapang.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, in as much as I have to really go down up to the level of the tactical, I will have to do that. Ako na rin po ang mag-inspect lahat ng papasok na gamit doon.
Nako.
Dahil kung ganyan po nangyayari, wala na po tayong mapagkatiwalaan. I have to do it on my own just to really satisfy you that I'm really doing my best. Kung kailangan bilangin lahat yung papasok na yan, ako mismo magmaman ng gate 5 o gate 4 para bilangin lahat yung papasok na kargamento. Kung mga hardware equipment, ako na rin po tatayo dyan, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, meron din po ditong
Kayang mamumuno.
hindi ko alam kung matatawag na resibo ito na meron pong construction equipment,
Nako.
dekado at pinagbabawal na naipasok sa Bucor. Unang-una kong gustong tanungin si Madam Angie Bautista kung alam niya ito sapagkat nakalagay din ang pangalan mo rito. True, Angelina Bautista.
Alam ko po.
Tanggalin nyo nga yan.
Nakapasok.
Palitan
Opo,
nyo
kasi
yan.
po yan po yung ginagamit nila po na makagawa po sila ng tulugan po yung
Hindi,
ating
yung
mga
construction
PDL.
equipments na puro delikado at pinagbabawal daw eh.
May bantay po tayong DMU sir at saka ini-inspection po ng GSD po ang ginagawa po
Ibig
nila
mo
sa loob.
sabihin, Mr. Chair, na kahit may bantay 24/7 yan, dapat kayo ay magpasok ng mga construction equipment na delikado at pinagbabawal sapagkat ang katuwiran nyo, Mr. Chair, Madam Chair, may bantay naman.
Tapong tutulugan ng ating mga preso. Lalo na po yung paggawa po ng deep well, wala po silang mainom kaya po kailangan pumasok po yung mga tubo, kung ano-ano po
Puro
na
Mr. Chair,
sinasabi
puro
nyo pong
palusot ito
delikado.
sa
Ginagawa nyo kami dito, wala kami concern sa mga PDL eh.
True.
O ang chairman ng Committee on Human Rights, may concern ako eh. Nasabi po ni Mr. Chair dito kanina at ni Madam Chair na hindi kami magko-complain dito kung lahat ng inyong ginagawa legal.
Tama.
Tayong batas eh. We are a government of laws and not of men.
True.
Batas po tayo. Naunawaan niyo ba, Mr. Chair? Miss Angie, naunawaan niyo ba yun?
Sir, yun po kasing tungkol sa construction materials,
palusot ka
talaga
pa.
pong nagpapasok, hindi lang po ang mga PDL, kung hindi rin po yung mga taga-Bucor.
Mr.
Kasi
Chair, pinatanggal
nagagawa
na
po
nga yun
tayo.
yung araw.
True.
Pinasok niyo uli. So ano ba ang
Yes.
ruling dito? Wala yan nung araw.
Tinanggal ni General Bantagyo.
Pasok uli. Ano po ba talaga ang ruling dito? Ano ang ruling ng Bucor tungkol dito na pwedeng tanggalin to ng last administration, pwede niyong ipasok uli ngayon? Ano ba ruling dyan? Katapang.
Mr. Chair, there's no ruling as regards this because
The ruling
there
is
was
bulok.
never been an order
Ang
to remove the shanty in as much as this will really affect the health. Lalo na po ngayon tag-ulan, wala po talaga sila matutulugan. But we will look into this and how to implement it better this time, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, malapit na po. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ang date ng Bucor budget hearing ha. To find out, Mr. Chair, within these several days, you will be true if Dr. Reto General Katapang will be true to his commitment to do what must be done for the budget hearing. And Mr. Chair, I demand that a written report must be submitted to this committee.
Correct.
I would like to make a motion to say that, Mr. Chair.
Okay, there's a motion by Congressman Abante and duly seconded. Is there any objection? The Committee on Public Order, the motion is approved.
Assist, the motion is approved.
Okay, are you done, Congressman Abante?
Pero po konti na lang.
1 second, ka.
So, Mr. Chair, Madam Chair, no, I just would like to continue on. You said a moment ago, Director General Katapang, that you will really go down to the hill. So, ang problema sa Bucor, iwala po kayong lahat. For example, like ang sinabi po ng ating general dito, sino ba yung naakusahan ng korupsyon?
Senior Inspector Abila Henry,
Oh.
sir.
Kayo po ay naakusahan ng korupsyon, Mr. Chair.
Wala pong
Ay, totoo. Yun, naakusahan lang kayo. Hindi naman talaga totoo di ba? Mr. Chair, ibig sabihin niyan, Director General, at ikaw, Madam Angie Bautista, sapagkat ikaw ang nag-file ng investigasyon, na meron talagang malalim na korupsyon sa Bucor.
True. May mga nakaupo, siyempre.
Amin mo.
Meron po.
Oh,
At hindi ka kasama ron, si Chair.
Hindi po ako kasama, sir.
Talaga lang
You're under oath.
Sir, I am under oath, Your Honor.
Okay. So, the Director General, ano po ang balak yung gawin korupsyon sa Bucor?
Continue my reform agenda at lahat po ng makakasuhan. Of course, I will submit the report. Marami na po akong tinanggal na sa serbisyo. Discharge for dishonesty. I will submit the report na may effort naman po, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Pati si...
Therefore, Mr. Chair, Director General, heads must roll.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor. I
And
will
if
do
you're
that.
not able, Mr. Chair, Director General, na gawin lahat ng mga bagay na ito, that you are willing to resign your position.
Correct. Yes.
Mr. Chair, I serve at the pleasure of the Filipino people and the President and the Secretary. I'm willing, if told, to resign from my position. But right now, I will not resign because
Yes,
I have
you
a
should.
duty,
You should
a task
resign.
to do. And please give me more time because sinalo ko lahat itong problema ito, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Ay, nako.
Mr. Chair, I salute you in saying that. I salute you in saying that. Hopefully, Mr. Chair, that you will be serious enough to check on the corruption of Bucor. Why? This Congress is giving you all the budget you need. Ikaw, Mr. Chair, nung last hearing natin, nais pa nating dagdagan ang budget. Magawa nyo na ang dapat nyong gawin. O, sa hearing na ito, nakikita ko na nagtuturuan kayo dito. Hindi ko alam kung sino dapat ang i-blame dito. You're blaming each other. And then all of you are saying that none of you is corrupt. Oh, para bang nakikita ko kung hindi lang sa mga PDL, magmo-motion akong gawing 1 peso ang budget ninyo Going to look into your report, Mr. Chair, Madam Chair, Director General, before the budget hearing of Bucor starts, I would like to see that report. Can you promise that, Director General?
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor. I will do that before the budget hearing.
Mr. Chair, ito lang huli. Attitude that I see in Madam Angie Bautista, even in this hearing, I do not believe that she is telling all the truth. May pa tayong panahon para makita tayo rito.
Maraming salamat,
That's it, Mr. Chair.
Congressman Abante. As much as we wanted to support the good general on his advocacy, to cleanse the Bucor, unfortunately, putting your men, under a suspension or something, a preventive suspension can be done, but of course, yung mga regular civil service eligible and under the protection of our CSC, hindi natin sila basta-basta matatanggal Even si Superintendent Angie Bautista, she's still protected under the civil service. But of course, with the due duress from the good DG, Deputy General, I think preventive suspension can suffice, no? But of course, it is within the power that was vested in you by the Republic of the Philippines. And coincidentally, I was trying to see the news article that I have read this morning together with the report of the COA with regards to the project that was initiated by Bucor. It's a 1 billion project consisting of four projects in Iwahig, in Davao,